Fresh spinach with or without meat. We need 2 bags of spinach, 500 grams each. It can be frozen or fresh. For fresh spinach, open the bag and put them in boiled water with a little bit of salt, at least 2 minutes, or until they get soggy. When done, drain the spinach, put them in a glass jar, and then do the second batch. On a medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot and add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, mix well, and gradually add half a cup of water. Melt the flour very well. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. That's equivalent to 5 crushed garlic cloves. If you're preparing the meat for this recipe, use the gravy. If not, then use water and bouillon. Add 1 cup of gravy into the pot and stir well to melt the flour. Now add your cooked spinach or your defrosted spinach, and then pour them in the manner that you see. In a glass bowl, separate the meat from the broth and use the broth for the spinach. If you're not making broth, then use 1.5 cups of water. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon. Stir well and keep it on medium heat for 20 minutes. And it's done.